Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
COVID happened, that's when it just
Yeah.
That's the best thing to do, honestly. That's if I'm like them college students about.
I don't know, Cookie and I were talking about this, or maybe it was you and I. Somebody sent a article about
That might be Christine. Mm-hmm. Baby shower, girl. This is the last one, girl.
We still have
I didn't know what the rule was going to
yes ma'am.
I know.
Oh yeah. Y'all make
Y'all want some other sweets? 1, 2. Good.
you have to wear
Oh, wait, let's get under the arch a little bit more.
we weren't censoring.
Okay. He said no cameras. 1.
See, let me grab you another bag. Okay, what you say? Put your hands together. Sean, I'm moving.
Hey, so today has come and gone. We had a very beautiful time at the baby shower earlier, and it feels good to be back home in Florida. Now I'm about to drink some tea and
Here's your ketchup.
hang out with my sister, my mom, and babies. So I probably will check in later. I might, well, ooh, not me about Sion. I might vlog when we get to the hotel, but it depends because we got to go back to Georgia tomorrow. So short, quick trip, but it was fun. It was worth it. So anyway, I'll check in later. Hi. So clearly did not pick up my camera from last weekend when I was supposed to continue my vlog, but that's okay. Life is still lifing, but in a very good way. Your girl is back outside, which is amazing. Amazing. We gotta catch up. We have to catch up. Like, I'm in a brand new space. Clearly, like, my background looks different. In a brand new space. We're no longer in an apartment. Praise God. Oh my God, y'all. The calamity of it all. I would pick up my camera as it's about to die. I did not charge my battery from last weekend, but that's okay. I'm just gonna use my phone until I can get this charged. But I was actually filming a TikTok sit down, get ready with me video, doing something different because I hardly ever talk on there, but want to get back to that. But I'll show you the mess I made. This is the behind the scenes that you don't see. I mean, it is a little organized, thank God, but still, you know, stuff everywhere, stuff on the floor. We're about to head out, shoot some more content, and yeah, let's just catch up. I miss you all. I was supposed to be being consistent, but we had to get out that last place. So my focus was on getting out of there, catching up with finances, because I don't know what this year was about, but it was testing me in the minds. How has 2024 been for y'all? Let me know. All right, I charged my battery a little bit, so it should be okay while we're out. And I'm gonna come back and sit down and do an update. Mom like.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
You have to take a picture.
Oh, I have to take a picture.
Hey y'all, this is where we used to live. That's stupid bullshit.
No, why would you do that? I'm not recording. We don't live here no more.
That's what I said. Hi y'all, this is where we used to live.
Alright, so I am taking a late afternoon break from work. I need to take this makeup off. I'm gonna hop in the shower. And I didn't really do anything today. It's Monday, by the way, the 25th, November 25th. All I did was I had to go pick up a package or two from my old apartment complex, as y'all saw. Well, I didn't take y'all inside because kind of weird. Anyway, picked that up, came back, started working again, and put up a TikTok video, which I haven't figured out in science to TikTok and what people like. So I like tested something, and I'm gonna leave it up for a month and see how it does traffic wise. I know that my highest rated videos, you know, like our home decor and like when I do vlogs, whether I'm talking or like quick stuff. So trying to see if I can replicate that. I don't know, we'll see though. But anyway, let's take this makeup off. Oh my God, where did I put it? Hold on. Sorry. Anyway, I'm about to use these makeup pad things, and then my mom got me some soap from Dove. I've actually been using two things from Dove that I absolutely love. Let me get it. Oh, I have eczema. I don't get flare-ups like I used to, but this is not sponsored, by the way. This is just me talking about what I use on my skin, because your girl's skin be tripping. I use that like when it's really bad and I'm having a flare-up, which I've been having lately, but I know it's because of stress. And so I tend to break out like in my joints, so right here and right here. And if I'm not careful, I'll just be sitting there doing like this, and that looks a little odd. So when things are okay, then I'll go back to using, can you see that? Yeah. So it's my Dove products. I'm not having a flare up right now, so this bar soap should be okay. It should be okay. I like shea butter and vanilla and amber and wussy tobacco kind of scents. Like I think I'm saying this right, a warm gourmands. Whatever. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. I'll do floral scents, which is odd that I wouldn't really like them. I didn't for a long time, but now I like them. But I just prefer those sweet and kind of heavier scents. I don't know. That's just my thing. Smells good on my skin. My body likes it, so I try not to deviate too much. But I am stalling. I need to take this makeup off. And also, this hair. This is almost time for me to get my hair done again. But I love these boho knotless braids. They cost me about $180. But I went to the shop that I normally do. Like, I'm not in Atlanta. Let me not lie. I'm in Georgia, so these braids easily can be 300 plus. And this is just for the bob length. 300 plus for these braids. But I just went back to the people I've been going to since I was 18, 19. And they were like, oh, we'll charge you $180. And I was like, thank you. Because that's what I'm going to be paying. But I always end up taking $200 because I end up tipping. I always tip. I know some people feel like our tipping culture here in America is not necessary, but I just feel like if you're going to be providing me a service, why would I not give you a little extra? I do that whether I'm getting my nails done, which I have not got my nails done in a very, very long time. It's been a while. But I do that whether I'm getting my nails done, my hair done. Tip. Tip, 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 tip. And I think it's also stemming from the fact I used to work at Ted's Montana Grill. So I used to get tips. Whatever. So I was looking at these reusable makeup pads. But you can use them up to 100 times, so they're cute. Cute little pads. I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, focus. Isn't she cute? I like that. All right, let me get in the shower, take this makeup off, brainstorm some more content because I do want to try and be more consistent. It's been hard. This year was, tried to take me out. Things are getting so much better. I really feel like the energy of where I really feel like the energy of where we used to live was just, it was time to go. There was so many things that were going wrong. And now we know for sure that we were getting charged way more for electricity than we were supposed to, because since we've been here, our electricity bill has been under $200. We were getting charged for a 2-bedroom, a little over 1,000 square feet apartment. This bill was trying to charge us $250 for electricity, and I said, why? And now this is like where we are now. We're in a 3-bedroom, and it's 1,700 something square feet and under $200. Explain the math to me. Can y'all explain it for me? Because I'm confusion. So I look really shiny. I planned on actually sitting down and doing like an update thing. This was days ago, but did not get a chance to do it. Thanksgiving has come and gone, and past few days have been a complete blur. So I guess the only thing to do is jump right in and have this conversation. So Tuesday, I decided to take a pregnancy test because I had been feeling a little off, and it came back positive, and I have an IUD in. So I was like, okay, called, made an appointment, and I was seen the next day. And by that time I had started to have light spotting, but I was like, okay, nothing to worry about. Get there, I get a faint positive line, and they're like, okay, it's fine. People have given birth with an IUD in before. It's very, very, very rare, but it's not impossible. So I get sent home after making 2 more appointments because they were like, oh, we're going to do a dating ultrasound and, just have your first OB appointment. So get back to my mom's house. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm still spotting. And I'm having a little cramping, but I'm like, okay, it's fine. Thanksgiving, everything hit the fan. So I woke up, I had a little energy. I was a little nauseous, but I was like, all right, it's fine. I'm still spotting like a little bit more regularly now. Like, it's just every time I go to the bathroom, spotting. And by the time we tried to eat dinner, I ate some food, but I just wasn't feeling it. I was cramping a little bit more than I wanted to, and I was spotting way more heavier than I was comfortable with. Called the emergency after hours number from my doctor, and basically they were like, you need to go to the ER. So I went to the ER and I did another urine test, or left a urine sample, and then they wanted to do some lab work, and that's basically they wanted to check to make sure I didn't have an infection and to check my pregnancy levels, and they came back really low at 23, which means that a pregnancy is really early. But in my case, since I was having spotting and bleeding, that is why they said threatened miscarriage. So in a matter of 48 hours, I went from thinking I was pregnant and us starting to get really excited to basically having a miscarriage. Yeah. So